Digit, tell me, are you enjoying preparing for the Hanukkah season? Do you like that new Hanukkah tablecloth? You seem to be mesmerized by sitting on it. You look very attractive, like a proper Hanukkah cat should. Let's see. Are you trying to say something? Are you trying to say, I have a little dreidel? I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, the dreidel I shall play. Well, I think that I'm very happy you're enjoying the lovely, lovely tablecloth with all its decorations on it, and your tail is very close to one of the decorations. Let's see. Oh, fantastic menorah. Alright, goodbye, Digit, Hanukkah cat.